Hello friends! Today I've got a fun video for you. I'll be showing you how I make my luxurious body lotion recipe. This lotion is very creamy, but light in that it sinks in nicely without leaving a greasy feeling. I like offering body lotions as well as body butters because not everyone loves that level of heavy moisturization that body butters give. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. I show you the behind the scenes magic on my soap and bath bomb business. If that's your jam, please subscribe for daily videos. If you're already subscribed, welcome back. And now without further ado, let's get right into it. Before you begin, it's very important to sanitize all of your equipment. I immerse my tools in a water and bleach solution and allow them to air dry. I'm now going to measure and combine my oils and emulsifiers in a container. I'm now measuring my distilled water in a separate container. I will heat both the oil and water in a water bath until they're above 160 degrees Fahrenheit. While that's slowly heating up, I measure out my fragrance oil and preservative. Once both the water and melted oil and emulsifier blend is above 160 degrees Fahrenheit, I'll blend them together using my stick blender. I blend for about 2 minutes straight. After 2 minutes of blending, the lotion temp has dipped below 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's safe to add my fragrance and my preservative. Once added, I blend for another 2 minutes. I have my sterilized jars all ready to pour the lotion in. Today I'll be pouring into one 9-ounce jar and 3 4.5-ounce jars. These jars of lotion will be set aside to rest for 24 hours to allow water to evaporate while the lotion cools. If you place a lid on these too soon, you will have water pooling under the lid, which makes for a great breeding ground for bacteria. So set these aside somewhere dry and out of the way without anything on top like a lid, and after 24 hours, they're cooled off and ready to go. This lotion has a shelf life of about a year if kept in a cool, dry and dark place away from direct sunlight. And here is the lotion after 24 hours. It's cooled down and looks so creamy and ready to be used. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up if you do. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss out. I try to post daily. For those already subscribed, thanks so much. You're so very appreciated. All 530 of you, amazing. That's just incredible. Thanks for choosing to follow me on my journey, and as always, keep being awesome, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!